hard man.
My sister has an uncanny talent for them.
I do not. In fact, my luck is actually down through into hell.
I have shitty luck at them.
The only thing I'm good at is poker.
Hey, Lala. Any place
Also, don't put me over into a poker table.
Gosh, I don't know
Why?
I get really into it.
Yes. Your clothing, huh?
Get really into it, do you?
Oh, yeah.
What's going on?
Very sorry, Miss Lala, but I fear I won't be able to hold fort much longer. I think all of your costume changes earlier zapped my energy more than expected.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Energy. I won't be able to maintain my costume form. I'm afraid that
This is why having a robot that's able to utilize clothing is useless. Thus, I have a book. And can create my own.
You should be a little more worried than that.
Where are we running to, Rita?
We've got to find you a place to hide, obviously.
Why don't you go through the godforsaken alleyway?
Rita, this way!
Gotcha.
Hurry up! Get her to the
Yes, buy her clothes. That's actually also a very swell idea.
Here, come on. I can't believe we made it.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, Lala, just stay put and I'll be right back. I'm gonna pick you out a cute outfit. Thank you.
Yes.
Yep, wait with her.